In this video, I'm going to explain to you guys the purpose of the service tab and why we use it. The service tab showcases all the different services that Car Data offers. So let's go down the list. Number one is reprints. We only charge the labels that are not on the vehicle, window stickers or buyer's guides. Sometimes the salesman or the general manager of that store will take the stickers down because of the pricing. And note, you do not charge the full set plus reprint. Like the word states, reprint. We only charge for reprints. Number two, pre-detail. Is when a dealership requires 6 to 10 photos before getting to detailed and service. That way the car gets some exposure online. So we charge for the 6 to 10 photos and nothing more unless instructed by a Car Data manager. Number three is the full photo set. Now, when we assign you to a route, a Car Data manager will give you a schedule with the dealership specific, including the photo set and photo count. Just please follow the schedule. Last but not least, number four is video. Some dealerships require video as well. Again, like I said before, make sure to look at your schedule. And don't worry, I will go over the video process in another video. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.